As an alternative to OEM cylinders or replating existing cylinders, Cylinder Works offers enthusiasts a quick and affordable access to a complete line of OEM quality and OEM appearing replacement cylinder kits in standard and big bore sizes. Today we're checking out Cylinder Works replacement cylinder kits and high compression cylinder kits. Each kit includes your cylinder, all the gaskets and seals needed for installation, and a hand-fitted, premium quality Vertex piston kit complete with piston rings, wrist pin, and circlips. Gone is the weight associated with replating and repairing a top end, and so is the price tag, all without sacrificing quality. Cylinder Works only uses premium quality Vertex pistons in their cylinder kits because of Vertex's ability to manufacture piston profiles with tolerances down to 0.01 millimeters. This allows us to hand match each piston to cylinder, providing the exact fitment every time. This is exactly how the original equipment manufacturers fit pistons and cylinders. What drives that dirt bike and ATV enthusiast is that feeling of freedom and fear, excitement and anticipation. It's an adrenaline rush that keeps you returning, but to experience those sensations, you need a machine that's ready to tackle the tracks and trails, which is why Cylinder Works offers the best replacement cylinders around to keep your bike ready for the next ride. When you purchase a Cylinder Works cylinder kit or high compression cylinder kit, there is no core charge or exchange. You receive a brand new OEM appearing, ready to install cylinder and everything needed for the installation. These cylinders are nickel silicon carbide plated to provide long life and precision hone to exact size for easy piston installation. With a Cylinder Works high compression kit with a Vertex high compression piston forged from 2618 aluminum alloy, you'll be boosting your compression and getting unparalleled performance in your dirt bike, ATV, or UTV. Cylinder Works supplies riders and racers worldwide with high-quality parts so they can enjoy the thrill of riding. If you're looking for long-lasting quality that you can depend on ride after ride, it's gotta be Cylinder Works. With cylinders made right here in the USA and pistons crafted in Italy, these Cylinder Works big bore kits will not let you down. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit us at our website cylinder-works.com and fill out that contact us form. Get new now. Get Cylinder Works.